Hey there guys, Both2000 here, and I'm going to show you guys how to clean out your PS3, but only for dust. As you can see, it's kind of dusty already, so let me clean that off first before I start. So I just cleaned it off. Next step that you want to do is you want to unplug your HDMI cord. This one, and the power. Unplug the power cord, then plug it back in. Okay. Well, actually, whoops. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna have to set the camera down real quick, just so I can do this. So, the power button and the eject button. You want to hold down the eject button and then turn in the power. Right now, as you can see, it's clean all the dust out, which I did that spring, so yeah. After that, see, hold on. Then, see, now I can't turn on my PS3, or nothing works for it. So what you do is you want to unplug your PS3 from the power, and you want to plug it back in. As you can see, red button turns on. Plug in everything else, HDMI or whatever you have for it. Then turn on your TV. And after that, you turn on your PlayStation. And this proves to you guys that it works. And it does not ruin the PS3. See? This. It cleaned it and everything else. All it did was clean out the dust. And yeah. So I want to show you guys for today. Like, comment, and subscribe. But that's how you guys can clean your PS3 but dust only. Have a nice day.